Hello, humans. Okay, we're playing more Bee Swarm Simulator, and I got more Robux, and I want a private server in this so badly, but I forgot to get one. I'm an idiot. Anyways, I did a bunch of stuff while you guys weren't here, and I finally got CapCut, so I can now start editing. I got different bees, and I don't know what's happening. Like, whoa. What is happening? Oh my god. That was sus. Anyways, I've gotten different tasks now. And I realized I had 15 bees, so I need to give 25 sunflower seeds to my bees. I've only done 18. But oh my god, what is that annoying noise? Oh my god, I'm turning off my volume. Well, okay. So, yeah. I don't know what to say. Oh. Well, this helps, I guess. I only have to kill spiders now, so that helped. Thank you. I don't really need to kill you guys, but like, I might as well kill you guys. So bye-bye. I get resources from it too. Plus, I need these honey drops. Because apparently, to honeybee's task, I need to collect 500 honey thingamajigs, which would be really useful if I had a honey storm. But nobody's probably gonna do a honey storm because nobody can answer my prayers. What the hell? What is happening down there? Oh, Jesus. Bye, Felicia. Exotic salad. Or 80,000. This stupid cactus. Yeah, bye. Let's just ignore that ever happened, and so, I'm just gonna get up to the cactus fields. Then, off camera, I'm gonna go, get a bunch of pollen from the cactus fields, so I will see you guys in the wall. Okay, maybe we'll record this part. I don't like the werewolf. This is interesting. I haven't seen this ugly werewolf's face in a while. He's really bad at attacking. Not very talented, as you can see. Why can't my bees kill him already? No, my cool bee. Cool bee has betrayed me. Why do I keep not walking? Like, just get rid of it. Get rid of the werewolf, please. Yes. Take it. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and do that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I'm back recording again because Vicious Bee spawned. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna BTW, I'm sorry if in the last clip, if everything was sideways.
Spawned. So I'm gonna start recording now. Bye guys. Okay guys, I'm back from collecting pollen. And I'm finally done with the exotic salad task. And I actually finished the honeybee's honey hunt without realizing it too. So let's go talk to Science Fair. My hands are very sweaty right now. Oh my god, that was a while. So
Yes.
we can now finally go get our stuff. I know Science Fair is over there, but we need to go say hi to Honey Bear. I mean, not Honey Bear. Honey Bear. Why would Honey Bear even be a thing? I don't know if Honey Bear is a thing. I'm confusing myself. Okay, let's go. Yay, what are you gonna give me, Buzz Buzz?
Buzz Buzz.
Honey Bee will now bless you with 30 minutes. Ooh. Oh my god. I mean, I guess it was worth it, but like, not really at the same time. Oh god. That was unexpected. Okay, let's just go up here because Honeybee wants to tell us more. Do, 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 do. 1,000? Are you kidding me? Wasn't 500 enough? I mean, at least I get honey out of your tasks, like, either way, so, like, can I really complain? You know, ignoring that, we're just gonna go say hi to, whatchamacallit, Science Bear. I don't know what the heck Science Bear is going to give me. Can I kill a spider yet? No, I can't. I don't know what the heck Spider Bear... Wait, oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Spider Bear... I don't know what Science Bear said. I don't know what Science Bear is going to give me, but, like, yeah, so... Oh my god, there's a person there already. Wait, we aren't even supposed to go over there, so we're supposed to go over here, okay. What is this? Fire the yellow cannon. No. Talk to Science Bear. Alright. What were my rewards? Did I literally get no rewards? I literally got nothing. Excuse me? I got nothing. Nothing. You're a scam. I'm going back. Okay, though, that was a waste of, extreme waste of time.
Sudden realization.
Not Science Bear. I'm an idiot. Ugh. It said Polar Bear. I'm a big idiot, but now I have to do this, so I'm not gonna do it anyways. Where's Polar Bear? I've lost track of Polar Bear. Where's Polar Bear? Polar Bear. Where's Polar Bear? I've forgotten where Polar Bear is. Okay, don't judge. I'm pretty sure it's over here because I think I've seen it before in the 5 area. So I'm gonna go into the 15 area because I'm pretty sure that he's over here. And yeah. Yeah, Polar Bear is over there. I'm an idiot. I'm a real idiot for thinking it was Science Bear. Okay, let's just walk up here. Okay. Why am I saying okay to literally nothing? We're gonna ignore the parkour that I could literally just do, because for no reason. Yay. Dang! Oh my god, sir, sir, thing. Ah! Okay, we're getting out of here. I'm gonna feed the mantis over here. And it's nighttime. Ow, ow, ow. It's nighttime. Don't kill me, please. Yes. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to not end the video now because I need to do this. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here, and I will see you guys in my next video.